In nature, Cantonese fried rice is eaten as a complete dish. It is composed of starchy foods, proteins and vegetables. I show you how to make the traditional Cantonese fried rice. Dried Chinese sausages are included. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Soak the shiitake mushrooms for 4 hours. You can watch my video explaining how to cook the jasmine rice. Cut into small pieces the Chinese dry sausages. The pork belly, the carrots, the onion, the spring onion, the cilantro, the mushrooms, Stir the rice to prevent the grains from sticking together. All the ingredients are ready. We can start cooking. Brown the sausages in a pan over medium heat for 3 minutes. Stir from time to time. Remove them. Also brown the pork belly for 5 minutes, still on medium heat. Put a pinch of salt. Stir from time to time. Remove them and leave the fat. Add 1 tablespoon of oil and the onion. Put on high heat. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Add the carrots and the mushrooms. Stir from time to time for 1 minute. Put the pork belly, the sausages, the green peas, the rice. Stir briefly, then add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, a pinch of pepper. Stir for 1 minute. In the pan, put the rice to leave room for 2 eggs. Scramble them to make them coagulate. Then mix with the rice. The fried rice will not be sticky. Stir for 2 minutes. Add the spring onion. Briefly stir, then cut the fine. Serve the bowls for each guest and sprinkle with cilantro. We Chinese eat rice in a small bowl with chopsticks. To keep the remaining fried rice warm, put it in the rice cooker. Bon appétit! Do you know how Chinese people eat rice with chopsticks? We carry the bowl of rice to our mouth, and using chopsticks, we do like this. Try it. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.